Dictation lets you speak instead of typing by using the microphone button on the keyboard. The iPad listens to your voice and converts your speech into text in real time. This becomes especially useful when writing long notes, messages, emails, or quick ideas faster than you can comfortably type. It also understands basic punctuation commands. You can say, "Meeting moved to Friday, comma. Please confirm, full stop." And the iPad puts the comma and full stop in the right places for you. Auto punctuation works together with dictation and automatically adds punctuation marks while you speak. So you don't always have to say things like comma or full stop manually. For example, if you say, "I'll send the document tomorrow. Can you review it before lunch?" The iPad can automatically dictate where the sentence should pause or end, then add the punctuation for you. This makes dictation feel more natural and conversational because you can speak normally instead of constantly inserting punctuation commands yourself. It works best when you speak clearly with natural pauses between sentences. If you speak too quickly or run multiple thoughts together, the punctuation may appear in the wrong places. So, it's still worth checking the final text afterwards. You can also choose which language the iPad listens for when converting your speech into text. This is important because dictation accuracy depends heavily on the correct language and accent being selected. It's also important to understand that it uses the same languages you've already added under the keyboard settings. So if a language isn't showing up in dictation, it usually means you haven't added that to your keyboard. So when you add a new keyboard, you're not just changing how the keyboard looks or types manually, you're also unlocking languages for dictation. Once it's added, the iPad can recognize speech in that language and convert it to text properly. The iPad ties both systems together so everything stays consistent, whether you're typing or speaking.